In this tutorial, I will show you how to use our slide stash. Let's start by opening an existing playlist. The area that I'm in here is what we call our canvas. And just below the canvas, you find access to your slide stash. So as you can see, we already have some slides in our slide stash. You can of course delete these when you don't need them, and you can drag from your existing slides, you can drag your slides up into your slide stash. We are only doing a duplicate of your slides, so we're not actually removing the slide from the current playlist. We're just adding it to your slide stash. So let's close this again, exit our playlist, and for this example, let's just create a new playlist. And let's call this slide stash. We will go with a standard 16:9, and we're going to hit create, enter the playlist, and again, just beneath your content, you will find access to your slide stash. Open that, and it's easy to simply drag and drop your slides from the slide stash and down into your slide overview. You can of course delete them. If you delete them one place, doesn't mean that it's deleted in the slide stash.